All right, let's go.
So yeah, we're going to a Korean skincare clinic. Not for me, obviously. My skin's perfect, but... Because basically I promised Dior when he started there would be a lot of travel opportunities, there would be a lot of fun, and there was none of that. But that's not because of me though, that's because of your visa stuff.
I'm getting one.
We're gonna go to Spain in December, go visit one of the clients, do some business, you know what I mean? So yeah, today doing that. Come along. Are you excited?
A little bit, let's see.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna come back and you're gonna start looking like the boss instead of me.
All right, let's go. Oh shit.
So, what else?
How's the Ferrari driving?
It's good, bro. I really like it. I've been whipping it about. I think I added like 3,500 kilometers so far. So, yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, I cannot wait to get rid of it. No, I can't wait. But like, I can't wait for the Hongqi. The chauffeur car is gonna be crazy, bro. It's gonna tell you where to park.
They didn't fucking text back. They should have a Filipino customer service. Maybe they have a.
Hello, sir. Yes.
No parking. Park in the back. Namatukukuyak ako. What the fuck?
What the fuck did you just say, bro?
Bro, that's how Filipinos sound, bro.
Yo, Parker. Hey. I'm that same old body with the steez. In a baked outfit, got a shark on the hood of my top and the ape on my tee. Been a minute since I linked with the bro, said link up soon, let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flex and talk, but bro, I'm trying to make this P. I got a text from the bro in Cali telling me sit tight's gonna make me a beat.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. You are a transgender.
What shows that I'm gay?
You are a transgender.
Your skin is before versus before.
Oh, my skin, bro. I woke up expecting it to like look tiny or whatever. I was like, damn, it looks the exact same. So when we were like, when we were paying, right? The lady goes, actually, this treatment, it's nice to have, but your skin is like pretty perfect already.
What the?
But Mr. Dior, on the other hand, for you, I recommend hospital.
So.
I thought that was hilarious. Bro.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
That was.
Oh.
Yeah, so the story earlier was that when I first started the business, I had no success, obviously, right? Because everyone starts off broke as fuck. And the thing was, my mum was always like, oh, at least you'll never starve because you can eat anything, you're not picky, you're not gonna die. And that was always a very comforting thing to go back to.
Come round, she wanna get hit. She thinks she done made me, cause I keep her by my side. your 22K. I'll make a order, come I go so. Put on a shirt, get put on a blick. Feel like a stain, get ready to lit. I had to tell her that other sis, I was a dick, no I was shit. She singing my songs, she wanna dial it. Tryna get hit, high like a bait, the positive beat.
It's cool finally coming here. Atlantis
Royal.
Royal. The other
That's
one's
Palm, yeah. Alright, bro.
Have you seen that wall?
How about it?
Can I? I'm going to the mall.
That same old bottle with the skis.
You can leave it open.
Got a shark on the hood of my top and the ape of my teeth. Been a minute since I linked
I'll leave the keys in here.
Let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flex and
Oh, it's nice McLaren. Welcome to Atlantis, bro.
I know. Have you been here before? You have, right?
4 or 5 times maybe.
Okay, big man. Alright.
I didn't spend money that much.
Huh?
I didn't spend that much money. I just spent on it.
I know. You were here for shoots, right?
Yeah, for the shirt.
Wow. Holy shit. Wait, let me see this.
Oh, fuck. Someone got stuck.
We need to. You can't be too close to it.
He's pushing. Sorry. It's crazy, right?
Are you allowed to just open and film in this one?
Well,
Like, this is so Dubai.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
Yeah, this is so Dubai.
I think you take this lift to Lamar up.
Yeah, let's go. Damn.
Actually, this place is fucking sick. This feels like a fucking mall.
Yeah. Look at this thing.
Kian will be like 30 minutes late.
Oh,
Like
damn.
30, 40.
Damn.
He thought it was 8:30 the reservation.
Fuck.
But it's fine. I think we'll hang out here for like a long time.
Yeah. Do you want to order or do you want to wait for it?
I'm down to wait. Will's gonna take another maybe 10 minutes.
Sure.
At the end, they were like, "Oh, you know, like, sir, your skin is really good actually. Like the treatments, you don't necessarily need it, but you know, just make sure you do your skincare. You, Dior, on the other hand, you need hospital. You need to go to the hospital, get a blood test, get a hormones."
He was laughing and dying.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
Oh, it's fine.
I like using needles on his skin, and for me, it's just like massaging, you know, like
Right.
putting some creams on.
It was like today, so he was actually doing a treatment today as well.
Yeah.
But it's fine. The lady didn't know my age. The
Oh
Korean
yeah,
girl.
they were like 38.
Yeah, no. The lady saw I was like 35 years old. And she was like, why you didn't come early? Why you didn't come early? And then he told my age, like 21. And she was like, oh, that's why. Like,
Dion, you're 21.
yeah.
Bloody hell.
And that's why. It's fine.
But did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was fun. I wish I could get her number though.
Was she,
She was Dior's type.
Oh, okay.
Car company.
Sorry. Welcome, Kian.
So Kian is very shy on camera. I hate cameras. They make me so nervous. Really?
Alright.
I get it, because the wild shit you say.
What's this shit?
Oh, we have the prawns in the crab. Oh, it's right now. Oh shit, we did.
Oh, we got it.
That's very cool. I'd fuck it if it was eating.
That is something,
Oh,
right? A family,
Yes, it's
a wife
cool.
and kids.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. What is this?
Fondue, I think.
No.
Kinda.
Cheese.
So yeah, so it's like a pork stew. Two types of pork, that American and Peruvian, and also two different types of cheese. So yeah, just careful, it's pork.
Okay.
So yeah, it's like stew, pork stew and delicious.
Thank you.
This one is just the rice with the veg in the bowl, and for your meat we have chimichurri sauce, and we have different types of salt like a volcanic.
What the heck?
These fishes must hate it. Like the lights are on 24/7. Look the store. Oh, I shot one of those. You see the blue one?
Oh, not Dory.
Bro.
That's called a blue angel.
Do you think you'd survive if you fell from it? Yeah.
Oh, this little
Oh, there's
ones.
a baby. Oh, there's another baby. Oh, there's another baby one. Oh, there's more baby one.
Damn.
Holy fuck, there's loads.
Where is Nemo? Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, damn.
I've eaten that. Lionfish is actually an invasive
Is
species.
there anything that you didn't eat, Boyan?
I've actually yet to try dogs. I know.
Aliens, probably.
You see that?
Damn. Oh, sorry.
Wait, fire.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Man can't say I ain't got no bars, I don't know about the females lingo.